Hey, welcome back to Just a Social Casualty. Wow, I have not said that in a while. Hi, hello, we are back. How have you been? I know we've been gone for a while, and we all apologize for how long we've been gone. We thought we were just going to be gone for like a month, just taking a short break, and it turned into a really long break. We did lose a couple members during the break, but that's okay because we have 2 new members and the channel goes on. So I'm going to jump right into this week's topic, and that is how to be me. I'm not really sure what everyone else is doing, but I've kind of put together this little skit in my head, and so I'm just going to do it and see what happens. I hope you enjoy my little skit, and here we go. If you want to be like me, you have to drink peace tea because I'm kind of obsessed. I may or may not be in love with chicken nuggets.
If you like chicken nuggets, this is your favorite song. Chicken nugget, yeah. Chicken nugget, yeah. Chicken nuggets, yeah.
So I am really obsessed with YouTube, and chances are if you're watching this video, you're really obsessed with YouTube too. But a big part of my life revolves around YouTube, whether it be watching videos or thinking about what my next video is going to be or how to make my channel better. And I'm a huge fangirl, especially for YouTubers. So I have my favorite YouTubers that I watch, and those include It's Nick Bean, Jordan Sweeto, Joey Graceffa, Gen X Pen, Jenna Marbles, I Superwoman, Amanda's Chronicles, Alexis G. Zal, Robbie Epic Sauce, Alex Dora May, and Johnny Gilbert. I also really love makeup videos. I could watch makeup tutorials for hours, and I actually have before. One channel I've been really obsessed with lately is Glam and Gore. You should go check out her channel. She does a lot of makeup videos that are really kind of gory and scary and Halloweeny, which I think is really cool. I could sit here for hours and tell you about all the YouTubers that I watch, and I wouldn't have enough time. So yeah, I really love YouTubers. Oh, and my favorite singer currently is Melanie Martinez.
Hey girl, open the walls, play with your dolls. We'll be a perfect family. Prices, gather your prices. Throw on your dress and put on your doll faces. Everyone thinks that we're perfect. Please don't let them look through the curtains. JustASocialCasualty. I see things nobody else sees. Think I just remembered something. I think I left the faucet running. Now my words are filling up the tub. There it goes. I said too much, it overflowed. Why do I always spill? Tell me why the hell no one is here. Tell me what to do to make it all feel better. Maybe it's a cruel joke on me. Whatever. Just means there's way more cake for me forever. It's my party and I till the candles burn down this place. I'm going till my pity heart is in flames. Cry for one through. It's my days don't stay together. Even if our days don't stay. But little girls are learning how to cut and paste and poker up their lips until they suffocate. Ha ha.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below 3 things that make you you. I hope you're just as excited as I am for Jask to be back, and come back every day this week for everyone else's videos. I'm Rain, and I'm just a social casualty. Bye!